Ball is up and we are under.
And the rest of the coaching staff of the Cagers are actually working on for their team. Oh man.
Justin Baltazar.
Andale.
Andale is fake. Pero si Jaymo Igilos
Oo,
ang
yun
kaharap
lang.
niya.
Yun naman bigat.
Cuevas to Giab. Yes, that's a 3. Jens Arenal. Archie Concepcion. The fadeaway from Archie. Yes, sir.
Yeah, pinag-uusapan natin yan kanina.
So Sombero is all set to enter the game. Here's MJ Garcia. Archie Concepcion. 3 ball is good.
Yeah.
Marcos. Quickly to De Leon. Blocked by Concepcion. Cuevas on the stick back.
Yeah, but that's okay if you're...
Also in the game, Jetro Sombero. Jaymo Igilos misses. And Jaymo Garcia. Jeff Ben is asking for it. Binigay kay Archie. In rhythm. No. MJ on the putback.
Well,
Players who are stars in their own right. Kurt Rayson, star at Letran. Also his moments here with Pampanga as Makoy Marcos. Also a superstar. MJ Garcia has also blossomed into one of the top players here in the MPBL. And Justin Baltazar is the MVP. Pero
everyone else. And that's where you really flourish. Meantime, you see this mismatch right here very clearly. I mean, how do you stop that?
MJ Garcia rises. No. Oh, yes. Dadala ng bola dito. Iniwan kay Archie. Gets a running start. Marcos with a steal. Cuevas. Okay. Archie Concepcion. Gustong bumawi. Yes, sir. Top game nila pagkasama sila.
I mean, you do something really good on one end, but then the talent kicks in for the Giant Lanterns. And
May
so,
may Jasper Longalo, binabantay ni Alcorizas.
wow.
Oh, nice. Nice. That was a beauty.
Right.
Bongay. Yes.
There you go.
Binigay kay Kurt. Back to Miggy. Rayson for 3. Yes. Miggy, wala pa rin. Ronan, wala. Tapik na punta kay Kevin. Wala. Alcoriza finally.
At saka yung the guys that's coming off the bench are very able then, you know.
Oh.
May advantage ka na sa nasa...
Kurt Rayson. Baba kay Ronan. Yes.
Go to coach, talk to them, you know, get
Oo.
instructions.
Cortesa. Oh, the stick back is good. Miggy Cortesa. Clear eh.
Grabe.
Buena Flor with a
Wow.
jumper.
Yeah. That's really his specialty, you know. Yan, the specialty ni Kevin.
Igilos, they go to Balti. Spin and the bucket. There are points in the season that you have to face. I think Muntinlupa is in the tougher side of her schedule right now.
Right.
As MJ Garcia.
Yun,
Oo.
sila rin ang uulit.
Giab fires. Yes! With the shot clock winding down. Cuevas. Marcelian providing the pick. Batak attacks. Yes!
Yeah, good move.
Viernes for 3. Wala. Offensive rebound. Nakuha ni MJ. The one-hander will roll.
What this zone has done is...
Archie Concepcion. Matt De Leon. Viernes. Corner 3. Yes! 3 seconds remaining. MJ will fire. Yes! Giab, Longalong, Cuevas, and Asidre ang lima for Muntinlupa. Here's Longalong. Baseline jumper is good.
And there you go.
Baltasar, down low. Igilos, nice spin. Igilos! Plus the foul.
Krutche.
Oo nga.
Kinuha naman. Nice weave.
Asidre for three. Yes. Nice shot, Rocky Asidre.
Setting team.
Asidre fires
shot.
again. Rocky Asidre, back-to-back three-pointers. Six.
Para sa Muntinlupa, now you have to sustain that and try and trim this down to single digits.
Oh, nice pass. Balti to Miggy Cortesa.
Yeah,
I was coaching in pre-pandemic.
correct.
Ano to, naalala ko to, no? And when I was covering them as Baltasar scores, ang hirap talaga.
Oh, hirap bitawan, right? There you go. The very rare time that you see a post-up.
Oo.
There.
Jasper Longalong. This time Dave picks it up. Dave drives left. Dire-diretso.
Wow.
Dave Moralde.
Yan ang hinahanap ng mga veterano.
Archie Concepcion for three. Wala pa rin. Baltasar, no good. MJ Garcia.
Oh, wow.
The bucket and the foul. Alam mo, ang ganda ng tira ni Archie
Oo nga,
Concepcion. Hindi pumapasok eh.
Yung feeling mo na papasok. Oh, wow.
Now, what about MJ Garcia? Asidre. Capasio puts the ball on the deck. Jumper from
Yeah.
Gabe Capasio.
Pag tumira talaga, akala mo papasok.
Oh, beautiful. Backing down on Magbohos and Ronan Santos. Rocky Asidia steps out to the three-point line and knocks down the three.
Yeah. Ganun lang talaga eh. Kailangan continue execute. Nice move.
Scrappy
Yeah.
game for Muntinlupa,
There
but
you
March De Leon knocks down the jumper. Binuya. Garcia wants it up
man.
top. Sombrero. Cuevas for three. Yes. Viernes for three.
Oh, wow.
And Pero. Umatake.
Nice pass.
Giab. Rivers.
Nice pass.
Off air lang.
Over lang.
Igilos. Oh. And
Oh,
Baltasar. Rayson. Three-pointer.
That looked good. Pero lumalaban, hindi yung suko lang.
Oh, and Alco Risa banks that one in. Pa si Balti. Longalong to Giab. 2 points.